Hi, today I would like to demonstrate on how to calculate area of a triangle with a base of 2 units and a height of 3 units. Coming to the definition of the triangle, area of the triangle. Area is the area enclosed within the 3 walls or the 3 sides of a triangle. In this case, area enclosed within these 3 sides. Here we are given base, which is the base of this triangle, and then the height. Height is the line perpendicular from the vertex to the base. In order to calculate the area of the triangle, we need to know the formula for the area of the triangle. In order to derive the formula of the triangle, you need to know, we can get it from the area of a similar figures such as a rectangle or a square. Let's see how we can get the area of a triangle from the area of a rectangle. We all know area of a rectangle is length times height, or length into breadth. Suppose if we superimpose, or if you cut the rectangle into 2 halves, or in this case, area of a rectangle can be cut into 2 halves by a diagonal. So this is one side, one's triangle, and this is another triangle. So when you combine the area on the 2 sides of the diagonal, area of the 2 sides of the diagonal, you get the area of the rectangle. Similarly, when you cut a square along the diagonal, you get 2 similar shaped triangles which can be superimposed on one another, and then the area of the square is side into side, or in this case base into height. Okay, so the area of this triangle is half the area of the rectangle. Similarly, area of this triangle is half the area of the square. And how we can prove that is, if you cut these two along the diagonal, you get 2 similar triangles, and if you superimpose one on another, you'll get the perfect square. So now, going by this definition, area of this triangle given to us is, say for example, if you take this and then superimpose, you get a parallelogram, and then area of this is base into height for this parallelogram. So in order to get the area of this triangle, it's half base into height, which in this case half base is 2 units and height is 3 units. So the area is half into half of 6, which is 3 square units. So parallelogram, and then half of this parallelogram is the area of this triangle given a base and then the height. So this is how you calculate area of the triangle if you are given base into height. This formula is good for any type of triangle, scalene, isosceles, or equilateral triangle. All we need to know is the base or one side of the triangle and the height, which is a line perpendicular from one vertex to the base. If we are given base and height, we can calculate the area of the triangle. Thank you.